Hi. Hi, my name is Naveen. I am the director of YCube Engineered Solutions. We manufacture yes valves under the brand of YCube. We are a 12-year-old company based out of Ahmedabad. We have a vast range of products which are catering water, power, steel, and chemicals. So we have products into butterfly valves, gate valves, globe valves, check valves, air valves, and ball valves with actuation as well as electric actuation. Currently, we have been catering into the major customers in infrastructure like MEIL, then ICC Infratech, LCC, and many more. And in steel, we are with Lloyds, JSW, Tata, and many more. Our products are displayed here, starting from strainers, check valves, air valves, butterfly valves, and gate valves. So our portfolio ranges up to 3.2 meter butterfly valves and 2-meter check valves. And we are come and meet us at B45 hall number 3.